day. Thanks for being here, Robert Farrell. Since 1987, when I was 28 years old, I've made it my life's mission to teach people marketable software skills. In 1987, I started teaching Adobe Illustrator and desktop publishing. By the mid-90s, that was the most marketable skill to have. Here in New York City, I've taught complete novices, old and young, to the captains of industry. Every major media company in New York City came to my school for training between 91 and 2002. As of 1995, all my training is now online, and I've been in the trenches since then. So if you're tired of chasing the shiny objects, getting talked into the stank old nonsense of get rich quick and make $1,000 tomorrow, or worse yet, being sucked into an hour and a half waste of time webinar that builds up this $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 value. You've all been there for $997. I swear, I must have seen about 20 these webinars over the past year, and they almost get together and say, well, $997 is the magic price. Well, if you want free training, simply click the form below. I don't spam people. I respect your privacy, but I am sincerely here to help you every step of the way. But I assure you 100% nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. So let me explain the 5 reasons that most people fail trying to learn online and trying to earn online. First of all, they didn't have training from people of experience. Again, I've been teaching software since 1987, more than half my life, 33 years ago. I've been in the trenches since 1995. But I'm humble enough to say that even with all that experience, do I have all the answers? Oh, heck no. Have I made mistakes? Yes. But I continue to bring to my student base the best, newest opportunities. I've done all the heavy lifting for you. So here's why most people fail when they try to learn to earn online. First of all, they didn't have the proper training. They didn't have the right training environment. That's actually one. The second, they didn't have the right tools to earn online, meaning they have no software provided for them. I provide the software as well. So again, click down below and I will send you information on how to work smart online, in-depth, step-by-step training videos, 100% for free. Now, if you do choose to take advantage of the same software and thousands of my students use, well, guess what? Software does cost money. But I have a complete turnkey system that I've built from scratch. It took me about 18 months to do this using WordPress as a foundation. I've curated the best themes and plugins. I've done all the heavy lifting for you. And if you choose to go that route, it's not necessary. You can just watch my free training program and have at it on your own. But why not allow me to do the heavy lifting for you? Okay? So the other reason why most people fail is they get caught up in the wrong technique, meaning that, here's a good example of this. Thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people sign up for these affiliate programs with Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, which are great. You can make money with that. That's the bread and butter of how my students earn. But what you do with it is very, very important. So what you don't want to do with your affiliate association with Amazon, Best Buy, Williams-Sonoma, it doesn't matter. Most people were not taught properly. So the first thing they do is they take the product, they take the expensive spin cycle, or they take that computer gadget or that laptop, and they put it on their Facebook page. Well, guess what's going to happen with that? First of all, Facebook doesn't allow affiliate links on their platform. You have to have the affiliate link go to your website, and then from your website, go to the affiliate. Okay? So that's the second reason. The third reason is if you want to be successful online, then rule number 1, you have to stop selling. Yes, you heard me right. You don't want to sell, you want to engage people with value. Now, 4 summers ago, I gave a lecture in Phuket, Thailand in front of about 2,800 marketers. I had about 40 minutes to speak. And the first thing I did when I took the stage is I said, stop selling. They looked at me like I was crazy. You want to engage people with value, quality content, value-based content. So I turned 61 in May. Again, I've been teaching software since I was 28, 33 years ago. So what I want to share with you is I become a very lazy guy. The older I get, the lazier I get. So I don't like to reinvent the wheel. Many of you probably know in the 20s or 30s from the history books, there's a guy named Willie Sutton. Willie Sutton was a bank robber. Willie Sutton was asked continually, why do you rob banks? And he said profoundly, that's where the money is. So why do you want to be online earning? A, that's where the money is. B, that's working smart because it's not digging ditches. Now, the advantage of an affiliate program is you don't have to own products. You're riding the coattails. Now, getting back to my disclaimer I mentioned a few seconds ago about me being a very lazy guy, I don't like to reinvent the wheel. I don't want to build a better mousetrap. I want to ride the coattails of successful businesses. So my course includes working smart with the 4 best successful online companies, which are the number 2 search engine, which is YouTube. It's not Yahoo, it's not Bing. They're not even in the same zip code. YouTube is the number 2 search engine. So I share with you how to curate videos to your number 2 WordPress. So the 4 top programs out there, the top most successful online opportunities are YouTube, WordPress, Amazon, and Facebook. So let's ride the coattails along with my training program, and let's get you up and running and working smart the right way. Now, I'm about to say something that I'm probably going to get a little emotional on. I have a student of mine that this past Thursday turned 105 years old on August 20th, 2020. Okay? So she was born 1915, August 20th. Okay? So she's been with these since she's 99 years old. She knew nothing. She couldn't even type. She was a bookkeeper for an air conditioner repair company, I believe in Jersey. So she saw my training videos on YouTube and she got started. And she asked a couple of questions, but basically she wanted to really be motivated to do this. Well, guess what? After 30 days, guess how much at the time she was 99, by the way, with no skills, just watching my training videos. She made a whopping $35. Yes. That's where my integrity is. I want to be very honest with you. She made $35. Now, to be completely candid, if I spent 30 days on something and I only made $35, I might choose to give up. I might say, well, this is a crock. Well, guess what? She didn't give up because she didn't know any better to give up. All she knew was to listen to me and my ways. So she emailed me, Robert, I made $1.38 today. Robert, I made 78 cents today. She was tickled pink. She was ecstatic. She was flipping out that she actually made money. Now, it took her a number of months to work up to $2,000 a month. Although 2019 holiday, this past 2019 November, December, she earned as much in her pocket, $4,700 for November and about $4,700 for December. Now again, I've had knucklehead friends of mine go, oh, I couldn't survive of $2,000 a month. You don't understand. This woman just turned 105 years old, and she's doing this. I have hundreds of students that are well into their 70s, 80s, and 90s. I actually have about 6 or 7 students that are above 100, and they had no experience doing this. But they wanted the initiative to do this. They wanted the objective and the goals to meet to do this. So what I want to share with you is, again, sign up for my free training program. I'm here to help you every step of the way. But I assure you, 100% nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. And also, if you look at the earnings disclaimer down below on my website, I make no promises of any income. How can I? Anybody that tells you to, oh, sign up for my program and I'll make you rich. Hey, the O word is there. That's why my company is called Opportunity University. I provide rock solid opportunity. I'm not going to insult your intelligence by saying, oh yeah, sign up for my program and you'll make $1,000 tomorrow. No, the opportunity is there, and that's what I will share with you for free. You know, I have season tickets to Yankee Stadium. I've had them since the late 70s when I was in high school. I sit 6 rows behind the visitors' dugout. And a lot of times I can't go, so I'll give my tickets away to neighbors, friends, family, people from out of town. And strangely enough, most of them will ask, geez, am I guaranteed to catch a foul ball? Oh, really? Let me tell you something. I've been going to Yankee Stadium pretty much my whole life, and I've never caught a foul ball. Now, the opportunity to catch a foul ball because you're 6 rows behind the dugout of the visitor's side is certainly greater than being up in the nosebleed seats. You're certainly more likely the opportunity to catch a foul ball 6 rows behind the dugout is certainly better than being in line at Whole Foods. It's certainly better than driving in your car. So life is about opportunities and what you do with it. Now, in closing, I want to share something with you that I found out a couple of days ago. I was basically talking to one of my neighbors, Dom. He's 95 years old. The guy's amazing. He ran 17 different marathons. He was across the street from me on 58th Street. So I ran into this guy who delivers for Amazon, and we got to talking and my program and everything else. So he actually taught me something. He's from Barbados. He's been here about 10 years. And we were talking about opportunity and motivation, and he quoted the pop star Rihanna. I know who Rihanna is, but I really didn't know what her philosophy is. Well, he explains to me that she gets ridiculed for being rich and famous and successful. And he taught me something that I'm now going to share with you. Rihanna said, don't blame me for being successful. We all have 24 hours in a day. We all get the same amount of time in each day. What are you going to do with your 24 hours? I'm now using that as a mantra to get people off their butt. Life is about opportunity. Life is about engagement. So what are you going to do with your 24 hours? I put that question to you. So stay home, stay safe, stay positive, fill out the form, watch my training videos. I'm here to help you every step of the way, but I assure you nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing with your 24 hours. Stay home, stay safe, and stay positive. My name's Robert Farrell. Thanks again for being here.